take both on the fact, you've seen a direct impact here when it comes to an Infosys, what it really means to the company, and also what we've been talking about in terms of some of the risks that IT companies are going through at this stage.
No, I think clearly, I think this is definitely a big negative surprise as far as Infosys is concerned. I think the RBS contract getting cancelled means that for the first time, we would be seeing Infosys actually cutting down 3,000 employees, and more importantly, the guidance which they gave in the previous quarter after a disastrous performance, there is a likelihood that possibly this guidance could also be tapered further downwards. And I think in terms of the revenue loss, $50 to $100 million, and in case of the kind of EBITDA loss and the net profit loss could also be quite significant. My sense is I think this has definitely happened now post the Brexit, and there could be many negative surprises for most of the larger IT companies operating in the European space, especially if you talk about companies like say Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, or a Mindtree, and all these stocks today were quite weak. So obviously the after effect of this deal is being felt by the other majors also. So I would presume that it's going to be a very challenging period for the next couple of quarters, and any sort of earnings upgrades are definitely ruled out, but possibly some earnings downgrades could be now very soon be coming out from most of the FIs as well as the domestic brokerages.
Okay, all right, fair enough, Avinash, given the way we've seen how the sector has been performing. Here's another sector that we've been looking at very, very carefully, and this is, of course, on the pharma level.